In this video, I will share about pineapple cucumber smoothie recipe for weight loss. You can take this smoothie at night regularly. Taking these smoothies consistently, you will definitely get result. The benefits of this smoothie are like helps you to flush toxins from your body and also helps to improve digestion and so on. There are other benefits also to use this smoothie. If you want to know details like actual benefits, nutrition values, ingredients, instruction and pro and cons of this smoothie, watch this video till to the end. So stay tuned. Let's see pineapple cucumber smoothie recipe for weight loss. But before we start, let's discuss some pros and cons of this smoothie. We asked question number 1. When should I drink pineapple and cucumber juice? Pineapple and cucumber juice at night and calorie-dense drinks in the morning may be best. By substituting healthy fillers for high-calorie items, you can minimize late-night snacking. Some eat it before breakfast. 2. What are the side effects of pineapple? Pineapple's high vitamin C content might cause diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain or heartburn. Doubt what precise benefits we can get from this smoothie. So benefits are like anti-inflammatory properties, flush toxins, improve thyroid gland, aid oral health, prevent dental problem and improve digestion. The nutrition value of this smoothie per serving: calorie 110, carbs 25 gram, fat 0 gram, sugar 22 gram, calcium 19.6 mg, iron 0.5 gram. Let's see which ingredients required to make this smoothie. 1 cup frozen pineapple, 1 cup cubed cucumber, 1 inch ginger, 10 pieces mint leaves. Finally, the procedure on how to make this smoothie. Place all the ingredients in a blender and blend on it about 30 seconds or until smooth. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, give our video a thumbs up.